Hello YouTube, gold prospectors, miners out there. Alright, so the last time that we were at the house and we were working on this, I had the sides bent up. I bent the sides up and I marked for some holes for some all thread 1/4 inch, which is, I got the nuts for right there and the long piece of all thread. The next thing I gotta do is I gotta put the crash pad in, or my base in. And this is what I had in the backyard. It's V matting. It's super durable. And some of you might be like, oh, that's too heavy or too small. But unfortunately in Colorado, this is perfect because most of my material is that small. And this doesn't mean that I'm not going to put miner's moss on top of it or anything like that. But when I am using it as a miller's table, I'm going to have this will be what I'm flowing all my fines and concentrates over. But I'm going to go through all of these buckets again, except we're going to be using this machine instead of the gold bowl. Like, subscribe. If you have any ideas of equipment that you'd like to build, hit me up. I can help you out. We can make a video about it. That would be fun. A shout out to GPAA, and there's another one too in town. The Grand Junction chapter anyways. I'd like to do a little bit of exploring, and now that I can go live, I think it'd be fun to be going out and showing a couple different spots that we can get gold. Let's see what else. Yeah. If you have gold, a gold claim, or anything that deals with gold, I'm interested. I'm looking for a rock crusher now. There's a couple different ways to build a rock crusher, but if it can find an old one, I would love to put it back together if that's what it needs to be done, and fixing the engine or whatever, just to have a working piece of equipment. I think it would be awesome. Especially I like the 30s and 40s era motors and equipment because it's just that awesome. Anyways, like, subscribe, notification bell, help me out. Love ya.